guys, I'm going to show you our new ref. Here is our new ref. Nay, I'm videoing. So, I'm going to show you them.
Stop.
It's so hard. Here is the, this is the first door. This one's the freezer. Fresh stone for fruit and vegetables. This one's another fruit and vegetables. We can put loads of the foods here. Dairy corner. Ooh, what's a dairy corner? Okay, we can put lots of food here. So let's gently close this. Ooh. And here I'm going to show you the freezer, but I'm going to show you first. What are you doing, What are you doing? But first, let's just at least see the outside. So we just added a few stuff here. And also, how are we gonna reach the top of that thing? This is like huge. It's like huge. This is huge. I'm watching you. I'm watching you. Okay. So I'm going to open the freezer, but first wait. It's empty here. And it's very huge. How huge is this? Like the size?
It's a 24 cubic feet.
The heck? What?
Yeah.
What?
Ayaw ko pakita ba?
Hey!
Ayaw ni Kwan may iris.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet.